How to download and install Crypto.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can download and install Crypto.com. Well, the process itself is particularly easy and simple, so let me guide you through. In order to download and install Crypto.com, you can simply head over to your Play Store and search in for Crypto.com application on the search bar. So you can type in Crypto.com and it should show up right here. However, in my case, you can see that it's not here. It's basically because it's not available in my region. In such case, what you can do is you can simply head over to your browser, right? You want to simply go ahead and head over to your browser. And once you head over to your browser, you can head into Crypto.com. Once you are on Crypto.com, all you have to do is tap on the little Play Store icon there and you can go ahead and it should take you to the link. However, make sure to use the VPN for it. Here, if you don't get the link here, what you can do is you can scroll down and you'll get the option that says download app as well, and down below you'll get the option to download the DeFi wallet as well. So you can either download the Crypto.com application or you can download the Crypto.com DeFi wallet. So hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.